Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Sebastian from techcentury and welcome to my quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. So with this tablet I also picked up this case from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's from a company called Easy Egg and it just feels very nice in the hand. The material is just very nice. It's tough to describe, but it just feels great, and it offers also a lot of protection and has magnets built in so that it wakes up the tablet, and you can also use it as a stand. Here we then have the tablet itself. We'll see some of the core specifications right there. So it has 64 gigs of built-in storage, as well as also 4 GB of RAM. Now the processor is a Snapdragon 670, so it's not high-end, but it has an OLED display with a pretty high resolution and also 4 AKG speakers. So now that we've opened the box, we'll see the tablet itself first, and this is a 10.5 inch tablet, which is around like 6 millimeters thin, also made out of metal, and I'm really excited for it because for me it's kind of like a cheap alternative to an 11-inch iPad Pro, and since I don't need the Apple Pencil input, that should definitely work for me, and it's just way cheaper, especially because it also has 4G built in and I paid less than 400 euros for it. So first off we have the power brick, which is German of course since I'm based here, and then second we'll also have some quick start guides as well as also an adapter from USB Type-C to the headphone jack 3.5mm. So unfortunately there's no dedicated headphone jack here on this tablet, but for me that's okay because I mostly use Bluetooth headsets these days anyways. Unfortunately we don't get any headsets here in the box. We only have the USB cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-A for the power brick, and that's basically it. Now, when we then take a look at the tablet and unwrap it, we can see that the back is made out of aluminum. Now, this is the silver version, but there are also, I think, a gold version as well as a black version available. Again, this is the 4G LTE version as well as Wi-Fi, of course, but you also can get this in Wi-Fi only. And we have the AKG branding as well as the camera there on the back. Now on the side we'll find the power and off switch, which also has a fingerprint reader built in, which is a big plus for me. And then we also have the volume rocker right there. And then we'll turn this tablet on and let it just boot up. On the top we'll see that we have 2 of the 4 AKG speakers. On the bottom we have 2 more of them, as well as the USB Type-C charging port. And then on the other side we'll just see that we have the slot for the SIM card as well as microSD expansion, which is also very welcome. Now we'll make a quick jump cut and we'll see the tablet already completely turned on. Now don't be surprised or worried. The flicker that you can see here on the screen is actually just because of the frame rate that the camera was set to, so you don't see it with your eyes, so no worries about that. And then also again we'll see the case, which is much cheaper than the Samsung offerings. I think they're like 30 to like 70 bucks, and for a tablet that's like 400 bucks. I don't really see spending that much on a case. So overall, this is already set to German since I'm based here, so if you can't read the text, don't worry about that. But of course, due to the processor, this isn't a high-end tablet. But again, I really just want to have it to watch some videos and also to put some of my videos on an SD card to show them to friends, and therefore I don't need the latest specs. And from the first impression, it's a very nice tablet and just an amazing price. So I hope you guys liked the video, subscribe for more, and also give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next one.